Welcome to our channel. Are you looking to see how indigo powder is going to turn on your hair? Well, don't pause, don't change, keep watching. We're going to be doing indigo powder strand test. Now usually if you're looking for dark blonde to jet black hair, we always recommend that you do it in a two-step process where you would need to apply the pure henna first and then the indigo powder. For this video, we will only apply indigo powder so you can see the difference of just applying indigo powder versus applying pure henna with indigo powder. Now we've already mixed indigo powder, left it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's start the process. If you are looking to see how to mix indigo powder, click the link down below. Come on and let's get started. After leaving the indigo powder, we mixed it and left it on for 15-20 minutes. We are going to do application on all of our 7 strands: dark brown to black, bleached, medium brown with dark brown highlights, light brown, platinum blonde, dark brown, and brown highlights with honey blonde. We're going to apply them, put saran wrap on them, and leave it out for 3 hours, and we'll be back. So we are back after applying the indigo powder for 3 hours. We have rinsed it with only water. We always recommend to rinse it with conditioner and not shampoo, to just wait at least 48 hours before you start shampooing your hair. So right here you can see that the dark brown to black hair, now it did brighten it up with the indigo powder. We're going to go to the bleached hair. Now you can definitely see it did not give dark brown to black color, so that's why it is important that a two-step process is implemented here. You definitely need to do pure henna first and then an application of indigo powder to get dark brown to jet black hair. Here is the medium brown with the dark brown highlights. Again, you can see the difference. So it did, I would say, enhance it a little bit darker. If you like this color, awesome, but if you are looking for like a darker brown and jet black, again, the two-step method to do pure henna and then the indigo powder to give you the black color would be the way to go. Now here is light brown, so you can see right here the original color, and then when we use the indigo you can see that it did become slightly darker. Again, it is up to you how you want. If you want to keep this, if you want to go darker, I would recommend doing the same method if you want black color hair to do what previously explained. Let's jump onto platinum blonde. So you can tell right here it did not turn black or even like a dark brown. This definitely I would recommend doing a two-step process, just the way, because of how light the hair is. So just imagine if you have gray hair, this would be the similar process. With gray hair, we always recommend you need to apply pure henna first and then the indigo powder. Alright, so here is our dark brown, so you can definitely see the difference in the shades. This one is the original color, and then this one right here is the darker color tone. Hopping on to brown highlights with honey blonde. So you can definitely, again, see the same difference right here where the honey blonde color is that it did not turn it darker. So if you like this, again, you want to keep this, then you don't need to do anything. But if you want to go black, dark brown, you do need to do an application of the pure henna first and then the indigo powder. So this purpose was educational purpose of if you only apply the indigo powder and how your hair may turn out to be. If again you are looking for jet black, dark brown hair, doing the two-step method is the best way. We hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more.